Casper, guys, currently trading at 6 cents, market cap 290 million, ranked number 152 on the list. Now, guys, if you guys want to get a part of this cryptocurrencies on Huobi Global, Gate.io, BitThumb, CoinList Pro, OKX, MEXC, ZB.com, Crypto.com Exchange. What else? BitTrue, CoinX, XT.com. So there are a lot of platforms. If you guys want to get part of this cryptocurrency, ranked 152, so it's pretty close to the top 100, so it's going to be on a lot of platforms, guys. So you guys want to check out the website. It is casper.network, the future of proof of the blockchain, the first proof of stake blockchain built off the Casper CBC specialization. Want to learn more, guys? Check out this video they have posted on their website. Check out their white paper, research their grant program, stuff like that. Also, guys, here's their Twitter page, 168,000 followers. So you guys want to learn more, see their updated news, just check it out here, guys. Also follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. Talk a lot of political stuff, trading, cryptocurrency, similar to this, my YouTube channel, but a little bit more direct access to me. Also, guys, when you go through this Twitter, when you go through your Twitter pages through here, guys, check out the comments. I like looking at some of the comments, get some ideas what people think. But other than that, guys, let's get to that price prediction.
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
So Casper has been making some, painful lows right now, and it is actually at a very key level. So let's get into this right here. So you see, notice, guys, we're on the daily, but if you check out the monthly, this is a strong support zone. Now, a lot of people are buying right now, but for me, guys, I wouldn't want to buy right now because this might be one of those traps that get you locked in, but it says down lower. So for me, guys, I am going to wait till enough orders build up and then enter on a buy stop, because I think if it does head up higher, it's going to be wrong one. It is going to the 9 point, let's say basically 10 cents. Basically, it's going to 10 cents if it can build up enough orders. So it does something like this, guys. So if you are going to be buying here at market value, be aware that it might head down lower, but if it doesn't and it builds up, it might be a great position to head up, something like this. It might go up to here and build up a little bit, head back down, and possibly hit the 10 cents mark like this. But for me, guys, I would be looking at entering a little bit higher to see there's a lot more orders so we can break this trend, and then entering off this on a buy stop to get the trend up. But my price prediction, guys, is 10 cents. That's how I approach it, so I can mitigate risk. It is a lot of support right here, but it might not hold. So to mitigate the possible loss while trading this, for me, guys, I'll just wait it out until I can see it builds more orders. But tell me what you guys' thoughts are, guys. You guys see Casper at 10 cents higher? Just let me know in the comments below. But here's my website, guys, andrejmcclendon.com. If you guys want to look at free indicators, custom indicators, Metric 4 and 5, cryptocurrency, economy, and stats, check it out, guys. All you want to get in contact me, hit me up below. But please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.